Start to finish video of how I DIY'd my mudroom from this to this. I needed 6 custom cabinets to fit within this existing space, so there was no buying off the shelf. I was going to need to make these myself. The granite bench I'm standing on was staying as well, so I had to build around that. I used 3/4 inch plywood and basically making a series of rectangles to construct this. These are 1x4s at the back that are attached to the wall on the studs and then with pocket holes to the vertical pieces of plywood. I chose to build this backless because my walls are smooth and this was getting painted a dark color anyways. This was 3/4 inch plywood, again for the shelf here, attached with pocket holes. I used leftover strips of plywood for the supports on the top of this. Because this was all exposed plywood, I needed a face frame. This was built out of 1x2s. I made the entire thing and then used brad nails and wood glue to attach to the front of this to give it a really finished look. I did all of the usual prep, primed, sanded, and painted. I added all the hooks and it stayed like this for a couple months, but I finally added the cabinet doors. These were custom ordered from the cabinet door store. I did have to drill all the holes for the concealed hinges I was going to be using. I prepped, primed, and painted the doors and then installed these soft close hinges. I was a little nervous about this, but it was actually super easy. These were attached right to the face frame that I put on. The look was so polished, everything is hidden. It is so much more functional. If there's something you'd like to see in detail, please let me know, but I really hope this helps for the next project you'd want to tackle.